As you can see, it's really, it looks crooked. I'm using a quick connect to be faster by changing the implements. That's how I did it. It's a little bit of modification necessary. The plow itself, it's from, let's see, Dearborn. Here. That's basically the plow I'm using. It's a 2-row plow. Okay. And as I said, the first row I go basically straight without any changes, and then I'm adjusting basically with this one here. I'm adjusting that it's a little bit crooked, otherwise the left side, seeing from here, the left side will not go in the ground basically. Okay.